channel. Okay, so for today's new video, we're going to be doing a tap move. It is called paddle turns. But before we get into the video, if you guys happen to like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also, please subscribe to the channel because it really does help, but it'll also help you guys to know when my next video comes out. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so for the paddle turns, I know there's a few different variations you can do for a paddle turn, but for today, we're gonna do this variation. So, I'm gonna be using my right foot, but it doesn't matter what foot you use. So, you're gonna brush back, and then step, and then you're gonna use the foot that you step on, you're gonna do a heel, and then with the other foot, heel. So, I'm using my right foot, I brush back, step, right heel, left heel. Again, we brush back, step, right heel, left heel. So a little bit faster, brush, step, heel, heel, brush, step, heel, heel, brush, step, heel, heel. One more time, brush, step, heel, heel, facing the back. Just so you guys can see it in a different way. Brush, step, heel, heel, brush, step, heel, heel. We brush back, step, heel, heel. One more time, right heel, left heel. So as you do that, you're gonna be turning, since you're using your right foot, you're gonna be turning to the right, and you're gonna be turning to the right backwards. So let's give it a try. So you're going to do brush, step, heel, heel, brush, step, heel, heel, brush, step, heel, heel, brush, step, heel, heel. Very good. A little bit faster. Doing it with the circle. To our right. If you're using your right foot. If you're using your left foot, you're going to the left. Ready, and brush, step, heel, heel, brush, step, heel, heel, brush, step, right heel, left heel, brush, step, right heel, left heel. Okay, a little bit faster. Get yourself ready. Ready, and brush, step, heel, heel, brush, step, heel, heel, brush, step, heel, heel, brush, step, heel, heel. So if you were to do it on the opposite side, which is my left side, you do same thing, brush, step, left heel, right heel, brush, step, left heel, right heel, brush, step, left heel, right heel. One more time, heel, heel. Into the back, we do brush, step, heel, heel, brush, step, heel, heel. This is my left foot, left heel, right heel, brush, step, heel, heel. So if we were going to turn with that left foot, we're turning towards our left, backwards. So here we go. Ready, and brush, step, heel, heel, brush, step, heel, heel, brush, step, heel, heel, brush, step, heel, heel. One more time, heel, heel, going around, brush, step, heel, heel, last one, heel, heel. Okay, let's do it a little bit faster, right side. Ready, and brush, step, heel, heel, 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 brush, step, heel, heel. Same thing, left side. Here we go. Brush, step, heel, heel, 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 brush, step, heel, heel. So once you get a little bit more comfortable and you're ready to take it up a notch, on the right side, we'll do it. It can go a little something like this. Same thing to the left side. If you want to do it a bit faster, it would go like this. But let's do it a couple more times, once to the right, once to the left, just a little bit slower. Ready, and Last time to the left. Ready, and. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's new video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.